So let's factorise x squared plus 5x plus 6, okay? It's a bit easier now because we have no coefficient here, no values. So we just said the factors of x are x and x. X by x is x squared. And we're looking to make this 5x out of the factors of 6. So 6 and 1 would work, but 6 and 1 is 7 when we go to kind of add them all up. So how about plus 3 and 2 gives us 5x? Because if I say x by 2 is 2x plus 2x, and x by 3 is plus 3x, that gives me plus 5x. So they're correct, okay? We're looking at the factors of 6 which add up to this middle term, 5x. So the factors are x plus 3 and x plus 2. And if we multiply this by this, we'll get x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay. What about this one? X squared plus 12x plus 27. So the factors of x squared are x and x. And we'll just draw your attention now to this sign here. It's positive. That tells us that the signs of both the factors will be the same. What same will they be? They'll be whatever this is, so they'll both be positive. Okay? So that's important to note that if this is positive, your factor signs will be the same. What same? This same here. Okay? So now, let's see, how do we make 12 out of the factors of 27? Well, 3 nines is 27, and 3 plus 9 is 12. So we'll try that. X by 3 is 3x, 9x and 3x is 12x. That's correct. They're the factors. What about x squared minus 12x plus 27? Okay, this is positive, so the signs will be the same. What same? This same. They'll both be negative. Okay, so now we have x and x. That makes it kind of easier on that side, and we'll go with two factors of 27. Again, 9 and 3 will make 12, but it's minus 9 minus 3. So x times minus 3 is minus 3x. X times minus 9 is minus 9x minus 3x is minus 12x. That's perfect because that's what we want there. They are the factors. What about 3x squared plus 11x minus 20? Now this is negative, so this means when this is negative, the factors won't have the same sign. One will be positive and one will be negative. And also with the 3x squared here, which is kind of make it tricky for us, we have to take that into account when we're cross multiplying. Okay? So we do it by trial and error. It's accepted in maths. This often they're done by trial and error. Okay? To ensure that, okay, so we're going to trial and error to ensure that when we cross multiply, we get this middle term. So let's go with 3 and 1. We've no choice there really, but here the factors are 22 and 10. That won't really makes 11 really, but then we've 3 times something to consider, so it's hard to know. 4 and 5. We'll go at 4 and 5. We'll say, okay, negative sign, they're going to be different. One's negative, one's positive. Okay, let's go with minus 4 and plus 5. 3x by 5 is plus 15. 1x by minus 4 is minus 4x. Minus 4 is plus 11x. Bingo, that's perfect. So the factors are 3x minus 4, 1x plus 5. Okay? And if you multiply them together, you would get that equation, the original, not equation, the original quadratic expression. Okay. Another example here, 24x squared plus 2x minus 15. So sign is different. We're going to have a positive and a negative. Factors of 24, 1 and 24, 4 and 6, 2 and 12. Let's go with 6x and 4x. For 15, we'll go with 3 5s. 6x times minus 3 is minus 18x. 4x times 5 is 20x. 20x minus 18x is 2x. So our factors are 6x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. I did a bit of messing around beforehand to find these, as you probably will too, so I didn't just pull them. I didn't know how to get them, only by trial and error, and I realised that was the way to go.